Hurricane Hilary, Las Vegas. So the record for rain in Las Vegas in 1 month is 2.5 inches. Can you believe that? How many of you live in cities where you get that in one day? 2.5 inches. This is Saturday. We're expected to get between now and Monday 1.5 to 2 inches. So almost a month's worth of rain. Maybe, maybe not. They really don't know, obviously. But it's incredible how the rain is not easily dissipated like it is in most cities. Well, it's the desert. The water just runs off. Yeah, it's not much going on. This is what rain looks like in Las Vegas. There's a few times that it goes sideways, but most of the time it just goes just like this. I don't even know if you can tell it's raining on camera. There's some water. There's some water over there. Here's some water. Yeah, I went to one of the washes, and I'll put that at the end of this video. It's just nothing happening yet. Probably tomorrow it's going to be really, really moving. Alright, I'll come back on if something happens.